Have you ever turned your key and nothing happens? No crank, no sound, just dead silence. That moment of panic hits. Did my battery die? Did my starter quit? Or is my car just done for? Don't worry, I've been there. I'm Jack Turner, and today on Fix My Ride, we're breaking down the real reasons your car won't crank or start and how to figure it out before you spend a single dollar at the shop. Because trust me, half the time it's something simple you can fix yourself. Number 1, battery problems. Let's start with the number 1 suspect, the battery. If your car's battery is weak or completely drained, the starter motor won't have enough juice to turn the engine over. Here's how to spot it. You'll hear rapid clicking when you turn the key, and your dashboard lights might flicker or dim. Try jump-starting your vehicle. If it cranks, even for a moment, you just found your culprit. But don't stop there. Pop that hood and check for corrosion on the battery terminals. Even a little white crusty buildup can block the flow of power and leave you stranded. Pro tip, clean the terminals and tighten the clamps before assuming the battery's dead. Number 2, relays and fuses. If your battery checks out, the next thing to look at is relays and fuses. A blown fuse in the starting system or a faulty starter relay can stop power from ever reaching the starter. Quick trick, if your car has another relay that matches the starter relay, swap them. If the car starts after that, boom, you found the issue. Always keep a few spare fuses in your glove box. They're cheap insurance against big headaches. Number 3, safety switches. Next up is the neutral safety switch. If you've got an automatic, this little switch keeps the car from starting unless it's in park or neutral. If your dash lights come on but the engine doesn't crank, shift to neutral and try again. Sometimes that's all it takes to get your car running. Manual transmission? You've got a clutch safety switch instead. Same idea, different location. Number 4, ignition switch and starter motor. Still nothing? Then we move deeper. The ignition switch or the starter motor. Your ignition switch sends power to the starter. If it's worn out, that signal never makes it. And if your starter motor itself is bad, like a worn solenoid or burned out brushes, the engine won't turn no matter how new your battery is. When you turn the key and hear one solid click but no crank, that's often a bad starter. Number 5, anti-theft systems. Here's one most people forget. Your anti-theft system, modern cars use an immobilizer that only starts the engine if the correct key code is detected. If the anti-theft light flashes when you try to start, the system might be blocking the ignition. It's annoying, but it's also protecting your car. Check your key fob battery or reset the system before calling a tow truck. Number 6, wiring, engine, and computer issues. Now for the deeper problems. Loose or corroded wiring, especially ground wires, can break the flow of current. A seized engine can also cause a no-crank condition, especially if it's been sitting or ran low on oil. And finally, a bad computer module, like your ECM or BCM, can send the wrong signals or none at all. Not super common, but when it happens, it can make your car act totally dead. So next time your car won't crank or start, don't panic. Work through these steps one by one. Most no-start problems are simple, cheap fixes that can save you hundreds. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment with what worked for you, and subscribe so you never get stranded again. And before you go, if you suspect your computer system or ECM might be the problem, watch my next video. Symptoms of a bad ECM, engine control module. It'll help you catch the issue before it turns into an expensive nightmare. I'm Jack Turner, and until next time, keep your tools ready and your ride running strong.